Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark, and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, welcome back to the cave. Today, another video for the Large Playable Tavern, more interior stuff. What I've got here are the parts for the bar. So I've gone ahead and cut up a few pieces, made the shape I needed for the top and the bottom. Marked out a few lines for reference. So I got the top and bottom, I got interior pieces, I got the front rails, back rails. So let's get right to it. Great stuff. If you guys need some sort of CA glue with an activator pen, there's also the spray that goes with it. Great stuff. Okay guys, so I got some of the inner frame here done. I'm going to put a couple more pieces down along the bottom here, and then I'm going to make some sort of cabinet doors, and then I've got some details that I'm going to put on the front. I'm also going to sand these corners just a little bit. So give me a minute, I'll get that stuff and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got a bunch more stuff here done. Maybe I should zoom in for you a little bit here. There we go. I went and put some wood grain in, some nail holes. So now what I'm going to do is put bottom rail in here and here. I got cupboard doors made and just a filler panel there. Now as you can see, what I did was just put some rails in here so that things can sit up against it, top and bottom. Strengthen it up a little bit, gave it some rigidity. So now I've got these things. These are going to go on the front as decorative pieces. Now I got these. I went to a flea market and I picked up a whole bunch of stuff. They were just selling them. The elderly lady wasn't able to do her crafts anymore after having a stroke, so somebody was there selling them. I also got these things. Got some empty pots. Some I think she already painted up. Looks like she used barley for beans. She painted up some of the lids. So these might come in handy. That's just some of the stuff I picked up. So, something else I'm thinking of doing. These are the cupboard doors. Of course, I put wood grain on them, beat them up a little bit. But I was thinking of putting on little hinges, copper hinges. Of course, they'll get aged a bit. I cut them up into little pieces. From this here, cut out a copper strip. From the copper sheet that I've got. So if you think I should put them on, put it down in the comments. Let me know, because that's something I can add on after. But for now, I think I'm just going to leave them off. So you let me know what you think, if I should put them on or just leave them off. But you have to wait to see the finished product at the end to see if they would look good or not. So I'm going to continue on this. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to put something on here for handles. And yes, I know I left this off. I'm going to make a broken one. I'll put that on. And yes, I know they're crooked. I wanted them crooked. So let's see what I've got for something to make handles with. I think this will work just fine. Okay, there we have it, guys. Nice little bar, a little bit of decorative. I'm probably going to do something on top of these, maybe just with paint. I'll build the other, or half of the other door, so that it's broken off, and then give it all just a light sanding, and then we can start to paint it. So I'm going to give this a little extra time to dry. I'll build this door, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys. I got all my front pieces on. Got them carved out a little bit with the rotary tool. Like I said, I wasn't going to use that on camera because it's just way too loud. I've also got the broken door on. So now it's time to start painting. So I'm going to start off with the raw umber. And then from there, I'm just going to go with some more lighter browns. I'm going to paint these a certain color. And we'll go from there. now that I've pretty much got this painted the way I want it, might still do a few little touch-ups here and there. Now this here kind of gave me an idea, and this is why it's painted this way, but it gave me the idea of what I'm going to call this tavern. If you think you know what I'm going to call this tavern by looking at this, put your guess down in the comments below. Now I'm going to add some embellishments to this, a little bit of tacky glue. And there we go. Inset a few rubies in there. Hey, so we got the rubies on the front, handles and everything on the back side. Then I went and threw a few gold coins up there, a spilt drink, a couple empty tankards or glasses, whatever you want to call them. Even put coloring in one of them, spilt one. Nice little rag there to clean it up. A couple leftover coins over here that the bartender hasn't picked up yet. And I think, other than spraying this with a flat clear coat, I think this one's pretty much done. I might touch up a couple little things, maybe a few highlights. Other than that, this one's done. So, if you like these projects, make sure to comment down below. If you want to see more of them, again, comment down below. If you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to share and subscribe. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified when I post other videos. Make sure to check me out on Instagram at Blue Street Customs. And also, check me out on Facebook, Mark Martel. Come check out the Discord that I'm on. Tabletop Dungeoneers. Great bunch of guys over there. We have everything from RCs, Gundam, 3D printing, minis, all kinds of YouTube channels for you to check out. Again, great bunch of guys. Come check us out. So until then, later.